First up, got my new shirt. Looks pretty good, thanks to Shane on the Australian 40 Series Facebook page. Put the effort in and got it all organised and got it done. Thanks mate, appreciate that. That's excellent. We're also going to let you know who the paint goes to. That's pretty obvious, I think. There's only one comment. But that's good to know that someone's going to be using it and restoring their dash. It's a nice pass it on. Hopefully I can do a bit more of that throughout my build. So,
I would like to say a big congratulations to Tully Gogan.
Good on you, Tully. We'll be sending out the paint to you. Put it on your HJ47. Pretty keen to see some photos of your restoration. I hope it's going pretty well. Good job, mate. I've got a bit to learn about this 40. Alright, welcome back to the 40 channel. As you see, a few new additions on the cruiser. Today we're going to look at how we're going to remove the glass from the windows, front windscreen, rear windscreen, side windscreens, so we can get that all prepped up and ready for their next step of restoration. So let's have a look at how we're going to do that. Hopefully we get it right without breaking any glass. Right, the first one we're going to look at is the front windscreen. Now I need to do a bit of work to this. There's some more dodgy patchwork as you've seen all the way through my cruiser. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to remove this glass panel. Save all the rubber seals. This rubber seal just pulls straight off. That's the top one, that's easy. And we're going to do this without breaking glass or damaging any rubber seals. We hope. See how we go. The first thing you want to do is try to just give it a bit of pressure. Try to break that rubber seal a bit. You can just hear the rubber just breaking away from the framework. Just slowly pry that rubber away just to break that seal on the frame. I've just flipped the window over just to do the same on this side, break the seal. It's actually pretty good on this side. So what we're going to try and do now is we're trying to get the plastic, and we can see if we can slip in some of these plastic bits in here like that. We'll try and work our way around, and then we should be able to slowly push this rubber out. Keep the pressure on it, and it's coming out. Sensational, you little ripper. Just try and pry it away a bit with a screwdriver. There we go. Just keeping that pressure on it. Starting to break away there now. There we go. Alright, I've removed this piece already. That was quite easy. It was just undoing some nuts and bolts. That there will just pull out. Doesn't get much easier than that. That one there is nice and easy. This piece of glass should be the same as the others, but it's this corner piece here that we're not sure about how that's going to go. Righto, so we're on the back part of the FJ40, removing the glass and the seals out of that. So our main window should be fairly easy to remove, same as the others, but it's the back curved piece of glass that I'm a little bit nervous about. Hopefully, in theory, it should come out the same as all the others. So we'll give it a go. Exactly the same process. Sensational. Again, that rubber is in excellent condition, so we'll be able to reuse that again. Righto, we had great success today. We were able to remove all the glass, the rubber, no breakages, had a winner. First time I've ever done that myself. Wasn't too hard, but I was pretty nervous about it. So I just did heaps of reading up on forums and on the internet. I couldn't find any YouTube videos on the glass of 40s. So hopefully this will be a benefit to some of you guys. Alright, thanks for watching. Make sure that you like and subscribe, and we'll move on to our next project a little bit later on. Thanks guys.